There are several clinical factors that determine the intensity of a drug response, meaning how strongly a person reacts to a drug. This includes the half-life, blood drug levels, and bioavailability. The half-life of a drug is the time required for plasma concentration to fall to half of the original level. It's important to know this because it helps determine the frequency of drug administration or how often someone might be going back to abuse a drug. For example, intravenous morphine has a half-life of 2 to 4 hours, which means that someone who is trying to get pain control might need additional doses roughly every 3 hours. Many psychiatric medicines require blood level monitoring to ensure the drug stays within that therapeutic range. High enough to be effective, but low enough to avoid toxicity. A loading dose may be given initially to reach this level quickly, followed by maintenance doses just to keep it steady. Drugs with a narrow therapeutic index, such as lithium, valproic acid, and amitriptyline, are commonly monitored to maintain that safe and effective treatment. Bioavailability is the amount of drug absorbed into the bloodstream. Differences in drug formulation, route of administration, and factors that affect GI absorption can all influence bioavailability. Many individual factors affect how the drug works in the body. Key factors include age and gender, body weight and composition, genetics, health and organ function, psychological and environmental factors. We're going to discuss 2 more terms associated with chronic drug use and abuse. Those are tolerance and dependence. Drug tolerance is the decreased drug effect that occurs after repeated administration. Cross-tolerance is another phenomenon where tolerance exists between drugs of the same class. So, for example, any amphetamines like cocaine and Ritalin, they're going to have a cross-tolerance. Drug dependence has a physical and psychological impact on the well-being of a person. Severe cases of drug dependence can lead to drug addiction, which is defined when a person is unable to perform the regular activities in the absence of those drugs.